Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Teleprompter in CapCut in mobile. First, open up your CapCut. Now click All Tools and click Teleprompter. Once you click it, it will redirect you to Camera. Now you can see here the sample template of Teleprompter. This one. You can edit it by clicking pencil icon and just edit it. Once you're done, click Done, and you can choose how fast or slow you want your teleprompter. By clicking this, you can adjust it slower or faster, even the font size. You can also change the colors so it can highlight. Once you're done editing it, just click any part of the screen. Just click this camera icon to record. And that's it. That's how you easily use Teleprompter in CapCut in mobile. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips. Thank you for watching.